What's going on, guys, and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, I am rocking a dirty stash. I'm like a Colombian drug lord version of Adam LZ. It's so bad. Still JDM, but Colombian drug lord. I'm challenging myself to only shave this crap off when I hit 5,000 subscribers. We are currently at 4466 right now at the time of recording this. Help me get rid of this. I do a lot of Zoom meetings and I work in corporate. Sometimes I'm going to switch my camera on. This shit don't fly. I'm not in the 80s. Help me get to 5k. Let's go, boys. Today I am going to be buttoning up everything to get this car running on the road. Like, I know you're probably sick and tired of just hearing and seeing these little videos, but for real, this is it. It is driving. It is running. I had to fix stuff, and I made that little video, the truth about my RX7, where I spoke about issues that I had with revving it and getting that sorted out, and I had issues with the glowing manifold, which is all resolved now. Now I'm just fixing stuff. Let me show you quick. So a few small things that I want to do. I'm not going to have enough time. As you can see, it's a daylight video. My wife was kind enough to let me out the house. I have a leak on the radiator right over here. Now, where I put the fan bracket back on, I think I used the wrong screw and it went through the radiator. So there's a little bit of a leak. Nothing epoxy won't fix. It's tiny leak. Get that sorted out. And then I have a leak on the downpipe. I just want to pull that off, rotate it. I need to connect these up to the boost controller. I forgot what the order is. Figure that out. I'm going to leave this boost controller in the car for now. And then at another stage, I'm going to throw that HKS EBC5 that's sitting there. Oh, and I almost forgot. The last thing I want to do is my wideband. I need to connect that up to the FC Hacker or data log it. I've got the FC Hacker, but they do exactly the same thing. Hook that up, plug the laptop in, make sure that it is reading my wideband values. That means I'm going to be starting this car. So, block your ears, boys. We're going to be starting in plus minus 10 minutes. Okay, before you guys start complaining, before I get copyright claim too, before you guys tell me I'm an idiot, I know I am an idiot, but I put epoxy on there. It's where the, here's the screw or the bolt that bolts the shroud to the radiator. I put epoxy, and then on top of it I've just thrown a whole bunch of silicone sealant. Epoxy's dried, was a quick set 5 minute. It's a temporary thing. This radiator is not going to be I need to save up some bucks. Things have been a bit tough my end. I need to save up a little bit, get that new radiator aluminium one, and then this will sort of be complete. I have a new AST arriving, just by the by, so that's cool. Yeah, let me carry on my music and spin spinners. Okay, I think I'm getting there. I decided that I'm not going to film everything. I don't want to bore you guys. I think I found the downpipe leak. I'm not sure, but I found one way to test. So on the V-band section, there was a gap. You can see the gap there where I'm pointing. I just filled it with some gun gum just for now. Obviously, if that is the case, then I'll try to get a bigger V-band. I can't close it any further than it already is. I started tightening as hard as I could, putting as much force. I was literally putting my whole body weight, and I started bending this whole bolt. Not good. So I've stopped there. I think that's the leak. I couldn't feel any air though. When I was putting my hand over there, it's so loud in this area. I can't tell where the leak is coming from. When I was putting my hand there, I couldn't feel any air. I don't know. Everything is clamped up. I'm all good to go. Where are we now? Pretty much ready for startup, I guess. Oh yes. Figure out where these go. Somewhere on the wastegate. I did that. I put one piece to differentiate, but then I never put anything on the wastegate, or it fell off. It's just been too long and I don't remember. God damn, this flipping jack just jumps. I need to get this sorted out. Wow. Forgot how low this car was. A little bit lower than the black FD. Good thing I dropped the bonnet. That shit would have come flying down. Why am I looking at a loose vacuum? This is not vacuum. This is that, this shit. It's that evap system. I pulled it out. So this is coming from the fuel tank. I need to plug it onto there, onto the oil cap side. Not now. We're gonna start it up now. Let's go, boys. Wish me luck. Yes, boys. First time out the garage in months. My neighbors hate me. This thing is so loud. The idle with the split timing is a little bit wonky. I need to get that sorted out. I'm actually going to change it back to normal base timing. Base map timing. Actually idling so nicely now. This is about just under 1,000 RPM, I think. Yeah, it's about 1k at the moment. Should be a little bit lower. I'll work on that. 28 degrees now, 25 I think. Running smooth, the fans have kicked in, that's good. Oh la, it's 83. Good night car. The fans are working. That's a good sign because there was wiring made up. I mean, I had to make a new wiring harness. You guys remember if you watched the videos. No more leak on the intercooler, so that's good news. I just got to figure out that leak over here. It's probably that adapter that I made up. Alright, there you have it, boys. I'm going to be driving it soon, I promise. Button up one or two more things. I don't want to fix that downpipe leak, I'll do it off cam. And then I got to do the wiring harness for the wideband. I forgot to do it. Well, I didn't forget, I just ran out of time. That being said, thank you so much for watching, really appreciate it. And welcome to all the new subscribers. If you made it this far, thank you so much. There's been like 250 new subscribers in the last 2-3 days. Thank you. I will see you all in the next one. Peace. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, get rid of my mustache.